What's wrong with a little matter? Well, nothing. But you see, if I stop there, then you would
Right. And my man's got a Black Lives Matter t-shirt. Hell no. Insane. He re-reckless.
I like what you think. Please don't do that. Since you're going to get so certified funky fresh, I need you to write a song for me so I can lure all the monsters in one place. I guess I can do that. No problem. Is that firearm registered to you? No, I scratched the serial number off of it. Do you mind if I borrow it? I guess so, but just wipe the fingerprints off.
Okay. Thanks, Mr. Bloodstain.
Alright. Catch your monster. We'll deal with him later. First, we gotta deal with all these other monsters. So I'm gonna take this book,
okay.
put it in the house, and play the new Monster Mash. So I'm hoping whenever all those monsters hear how funky fresh the new Monster Mash is, they'll come over and start mashing. And while they're mashing, we can go in and arrest all
I just hope it works.
Sure, it is gonna work to stop all those monsters. Yes, yes.
Believe me, this song is a certified good classic.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, mash.
Now, your attention, please. Calling all monsters to the monster mash. Monsters and creatures, come to the front, please.
Monster Mash is the Monster Mash. Shake your ass, bitch, shake your ass. Monster Mash is the Monster Mash. Hell no. Shake your ass. Monster Mash is the Monster Mash. Shake that ass, bitch, shake that ass. Can I smash, bitch? Can I?
They turn. Super turn. God.
Oh my god! Yay! You got them all! Yay! Uh-oh, Michael Myers! He's getting up again, officer! Shoot him again! Oh, yeah! Nice work, Simmons! Yay! Sure! Yay! Shake it! Shake it! Yeah, shake it, you guys. Shake it, shake it.
Hey, bro, yo, that shit was lit as hell, bro. Yo, shout out to SML movie, bro. They was